In this quick video, we will add and subtract complex numbers. The first thing we need to understand is what is a complex number. It is a number of the form a plus bi, where a is the real part and bi, this is the imaginary part. And so together, they make one complex number. Now this plus could be also a minus, right, if you think of b as a negative number. All right, so if we are adding two complex numbers together or subtracting them, it's basically just like combining like terms. So let's do a first example. Let's add together 4 minus 3i, there's one complex number, and we'll add it to negative 2 plus I. So these are each complex numbers, and even though I is technically the square root of negative 1, we can think of it as a variable when adding or subtracting, meaning when we add these two together, we're just combining like terms. So we don't even really need the parentheses here. And we will add together the real parts in order to get 2. And then we'll add together the imaginary parts, negative 3i and positive 1i, to get minus 2i. Okay, next we will subtract two complex numbers. And here, when we subtract, it's just like subtracting anything else. When you have a minus sign, you do need to make sure that you distribute that minus sign through. So we'll have 4 minus 3i, our first complex number. Then we'll subtract the 6, and we'll also subtract the 16i. So we distributed the negative sign through. At this point, we will combine like terms once again. So we have a 4 and a negative 6 that combine to a negative 2. Then we have a negative 3i and a negative 16i that combine to a minus 19i.